Okay, so there's nothing wrong with this one there, it was just the brightness on this one. But if you've got no power and the charger's not working, it's not turning on, sometimes you can do a hard power reset. On some computers you have a button that you can press, but not on these ones. So you just want to disconnect the battery. I'm not going to do it on this one. Disconnect any CMOS battery if you can find one, but I can't seem to see one on this. So when I disconnect the battery, the power from the battery, and any other connections you can see coming from the battery, just looks like that one. But I'm not going to undo it because I don't want to mess about, because there's nothing wrong with this. Then you flip it over and press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds, and that is going to clear. I'll just turn it off. That is going to clear any residual electrical current within the computer, within the memory, and within the storage, and within the motherboard, and hopefully then it will boot up. It's worth a try anyway. You'd be surprised at how many times that hard power reset works. I'm not sure what happens. You just get electrical residue in the wrong place and it stops the signal from turning it on. So it's well worth trying, that is.